Sanqi SQ100G N95 is a specially designed mask. Has a unique butterfly shape according to ergonomic scanning. Can fit the face tightly without pain. Has a super large modern factory. Use efficient and neat production process to make standard masks. We saw the whole stitching of the mask. It's very neat. The material is comfortable and stylish, and the surface is skin-friendly. Let's take a look at the headband of the mask. It's laser welded. The straps are wide and comfortable, and do not choke the skin. We've stretched it long enough, but the joints can't be pulled apart. Overall, this mask is light, neat, and easy to wear.
Welcome to N95instock.com, professional N95 supplier.